Hey guys, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a huge summer clothing haul. Oh my gosh, summer's here, it's hot out, and it's time to get nice, cool, summer, trendy outfits to get you ready for everything you have to do, whether it is going to Target and walking around, or going to a party, or just going out in the city, or anything for this summer. I went and I scoured and I found some super cute, trendy pieces. They're all so affordable. I'm pretty sure everything is under $20. So I'm gonna give you like my favorite hacks on how to find cheap clothes and just like the best summer trendy styles that you need in your wardrobe. So I did all the work for you. I'll link as many items as I can down below, and let's just get into the haul. So first I'm gonna start at Express. Express, is one of my favorite stores ever. I'm obsessed with it. And I was in the city and I needed to get a new outfit for the night. And so I went in Express and they were having 40% off. So always, again, like I said this before in other videos, always shop at Express during sales. They either always have like 40% off going on, or they have like certain categories that are a percentage off, but they always have coupons. So always use your coupons. You could sign up on their website for their emails and they'll just email them to you. You can get them in the mail, whatever you prefer. So the first thing I got that I love and that are so comfy and that you guys are gonna love are these little black shorts. They are so cute. They've got a ruffled hem, and then they tie in the front. You can do like a nice little bow, and I will tell you, these are so comfortable. They have an elastic waist. They're really loose in the thigh, and so they're so comfortable. They're high-waisted, so you could tuck anything into them. And these I got for 40% off, and I got them for like $30, and I love them. They're so comfy. I can't get enough. Like, I will be wearing these all the time in the summertime because like I hate when shorts are super constricting and like are uncomfortable and are too tight and ride up. These don't. They really feel more like pajama shorts, and they're definitely like such a good staple to have. You can really wear them with anything, dress them up, dress them down, whatever. Then in the clearance section, they had this red blouse, which is like a cool silky front, and then the back is like more of a cotton material, and then it has this like nice little gold detail. And this is great because this is a type of top that you could definitely wear to work and like make it more like professional. But then also like I paired it with these black shorts and it was super cute, and just like a simple pair of heels. You could do sandals, so you could really dress this up or down too. And this was $11, people. Like $11 for this top is a great steal, because usually a top like this at Express will run for like more $30, $40. So definitely always check the clearance rack. Then from Express, I was super excited to find these heels because my feet were killing me, and I was like, I need different heels to change into. So I tried these on. They're these really cute nude strappy black heels, and I was so surprised. They are amazingly comfortable. I was walking around Chicago in them, and like my feet did not hurt at all, which is insane because I have different heels like from a variety of like brands and designers, and some that are super affordable and some that are closer to like the $100 range, and I've never had a pair of heels that are as comfortable as these. I've been noticing lately that Express is making super comfy heels between these and like these black strappy ones that I bought from Express a few months ago. Like those are my two most comfortable pair of heels, and I would have never thought that they would be from Express because they're not even real leather. So I highly, highly recommend these. Like as a basic nude heel for summer, you need these. I will link them down below. They're so comfortable. With the 40% off sale, I got them for $40, which is insane for how comfy they are. Like I cannot recommend these enough. So comfy. Then they opened an Express outlet near me, which I usually like to do Express like regular stores better, because really the outlet is like last year's styles made a little bit differently, like different fabrics or like different color patterns and things like that. And overall their prices are very, very similar. It's maybe like $5 less, but they do have sales, and sometimes, it could end up being a nice steal. Plus this Express factory outlet is like 2 minutes down the street from me, whereas a regular Express I have to drive like 30 minutes to the mall. So I went in there because I was bored, and I found this dress. It's a bodycon like tank summer dress with like all this ruched detailing. It's a midi length, which is so cute, and I'm pretty sure I actually saw this at Express last year and I didn't end up getting it, and it was on sale for $20. And then I had a $15 reward, so I got this for $5. So that's how you you finagle the system, people. You use sales, you use your rewards, and this is super cute. It's just like a basic summer dress. I love just wearing nice cotton bodycon dresses during the summer because they really just feel like pajamas, and you can just throw it on and go and look super cute. And then on the clearance rack, they had this really cute mauve pink skirt. It's a faux leather material with this zipper, and it is so cute. This I got for $20, which I feel like such a steal. And this, I can tell you, is an exact replica of the styles that I've seen at the actual Express store last season. I remember I saw this in black before. I don't know if I saw pink or not, but I can tell you the material's the same. It looks the same, it fits the same. I'm pretty sure I tried it on too in black last year. So I love it, $20, such a steal. Go to Express Factory if you have one. Next, we're gonna move on to Discovery. So Discovery Clothing is mainly a Midwest-based chain of retail stores, and then I know they have some in Florida as well, but they do have a website, so you can order wherever you're based. But the great thing about Discovery is they're super, super trendy pieces, and they're so cheap. Like the vast majority of their prices are around like $10, $12. I think like the most you'll pay for something is like $25, but the vast majority is right there around like $10, $11, $12. So it's super great to like just find really trendy pieces that you know you'll probably only wear for a season, or you want for like a night out or anything like that. So I went to Discovery and I found a ton of cute clothes that I'm gonna be doing a lookbook for. So stay tuned for that, but I'll go ahead and get started. The first thing that I got are these really cute shorts. They're red, high-waisted with this gold button detailing, which I love. I think it just adds so much to it and like adds a little like extra boom. These were $15, which again is like such a great price for these shorts because these are actually a super high quality short compared to a lot of the things there. Like some of their things can be kind of low quality, but these I can tell you are super high quality, comparable to I would say like Forever 21. And at Forever 21, I would think that these would probably be like $25. So again, great steal, fit great. I'll be wearing these a ton. Next, I got this really cute little crop top. It's like that smocked material that's really in. It's like a tube top. It's super stretchy. And it's got like the multicolored detailing. And this was $8. So again, super cheap. Next, to go with that top, I got these pink high-waisted short shorts, and it has this really cool belt right here to cinch, and they're high-waisted, and they're really cute. Like they have like some cinched and like seams right here, which make it really flattering. And these were $11, people, $11. Like for super cute, like little high-waisted shorts to wear with like a tube top. You could tuck, you know, a white tank top into it. You can wear this so many different ways. So I love that. And they had other colors in it too. Oh my gosh. Then next, this actually looks like a dress that I've seen at Express before. They had this in like 3 different colors. Again, it's just a super simple tank dress, which you know I love tank dresses. It's a ribbed material. It's super stretchy, super comfy. Again, feels like pajamas, but it's got that double-breasted button detailing, which really elevates the style and the look of it. And this was $13. So like I said, super cheap. This is definitely comparable to something you would find at Express. And I love the kind of like muted blue color to it too, because looking forward, this would be something that I would wear into fall with tights and maybe like a blazer jacket over it. So I love that color palette because you always want to kind of like look for things that will be more of year-round staples and things that you can really transition between seasons. So when you find something that's like a summer style but in more of a muted color that would look great in the fall as well, you can really think about ways to transition that, whether it be like adding a jacket or tights or boots or anything like that. So I'm super excited to find that piece. Ooh, next is a romper. So Discovery has really cute, and they always have super, super soft rompers. And I love wearing a romper just to like wear around the house when I'm working from home, just to kind of feel like a little more put together, or if I'm just like lounging or watching TV in the summertime. So I love like rompers like this. So this one's really cute because it's got the gold zipper, it's got the gold button detailing, but this material, I'm telling you, is so soft. I have a couple other rompers in this material and I don't know what it is. Let me see. Let's see what it is. Polyester and spandex, but it doesn't, it's like the blend that they use is just so soft. Truly, again, feels like pajamas. And this was $11, which is so inexpensive for a romper like this. So I was super happy to find that. Ooh, next. So the denim trend is super popular this season. Like not only just obviously denim shorts, or denim jackets, but like wearing denim rompers, denim dresses, denim tops. Like I've been seeing that a lot in different like trends and on influencers and on Instagram and Pinterest. So I found this really cute romper, and it's like a tank top of it with like a v-neck and kind of like a bustier bust, and it's just like waisted and super cute. In the back it's got this zipper, and I was a little apprehensive, like I didn't know if it would fit right because it looked kind of a little wonky on the hanger, but then when I tried it on at home it fits perfectly. And it looks actually really, really cute. So this I'm gonna wear with like a pair of nude strappy sandal heels and like a really cute crossbody bag. I think that would be so cute. You could also like add a chain belt to it if you wanted. I think that would be cute. But yeah, I love it. Ooh. Okay, and next I had to get a set because sets are everywhere. Like the whole crop top midi skirt set to wear like clubbing or anything. Like I always see ads for them on Showpo where they're like $50 for the set. So I saw this one, I was like, this looks exactly like one I always see on Instagram boutiques that are so expensive, and this was so cheap. So it's this really pretty rose color, which I love, and I love how it has that front twist because that's super flattering. And this top was $9. So I was like, okay, that's cheap. And then the skirt, again, the same color, it's a midi length skirt. And I was apprehensive because like feeling the material, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna fit right, like how's it gonna look, but I tried it on and it fits like perfectly. So I'm super excited about that. And the skirt was $10. So both pieces, like a whole outfit for $19 is super affordable, especially considering that it looks like something from like an Instagram boutique. So I was really excited about that, and it's so cute, I love it. And then I feel like this haul is like never ending. I keep pulling stuff out of my bag. Then I was like, okay, another cute little trend, like getting a red polka dot little crop top shirt. This one's got really cute little ruffled sleeves. It's got like a ruffled hemline, and this is gonna be great just to wear with like some denim shorts. And this was $9 again, so super cute, love it, affordable, whatever. And then the finale piece, which I'm obsessed with, is a rainbow striped jumpsuit. It's tube top with like this tiered ruffle top to it, really pretty stripes. Again, I was apprehensive because it's got kind of like a wider leg, and sometimes wide legs don't look flattering on me, but I tried it on and it's so cute. This was $15, people. Like if you wanted to go to Express and get this jumpsuit, you're gonna spend $70, okay? So this is cute, it fits amazingly, and I love it, so cute. Then the last things I got from Discovery were some chain belts. Like chain belts, I take major umbrage with this because I have been wearing chain belts since I was in high school. Like my mom gave me one of her old vintage like gold chain belts in high school. So I was wearing them when I was like 16 on, and then I would like always find them from like little boutiques that would have them, and no one was wearing gold chain belts except for me for years. And now all of a sudden in 2019, like chain belts are the thing. And I'm like, okay, I've been wearing these for so long. But like all these boutiques are trying to sell a chain belt for like $60. And I'm like, hold up, I've been buying chain belts for years for like $15, $20. And then I was like, I am not spending $50, $60 on a chain belt. Like it's ridiculous. So I was at Discovery and they had some for so cheap. Like this one, this was $8. I love this one because it's got like the black rope within it. So this one is gonna be great to like, you could put through your belt buckle. You can wear this like over a dress, but something where you want like a little more subtle and to tie in the whole like black and gold trend. So this is amazing. But then I really love this one I got because this one is a little more like va-va-voom. It's like the layered chain belt that you would wear like around your waist, like on a dress to kind of cinch it and have it go down. I would wear this with like an all black or an all white dress, like super monochromatic, super like, probably like a bodycon to just give it some extra flair. And this was only $7. So if you see this anywhere and someone tries to charge you $50, run away and go on Amazon and go to Discovery, go to Forever 21. So cheap, and I love it. Okay guys, that is all for my summer clothing haul. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below like what your favorite piece was or what your favorite stores are to get summer clothing. because mine definitely like Express, Discovery, I like Forever 21 too. And if you like these types of haul videos, let me know, like leave a comment and I will do more. Or if you want to see me do like a different type of haul, you can always leave suggestions in the comments. I love those. But if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I do tons of lookbooks, I do fashion hauls, I do makeup hauls, I do beauty tutorials, I do like cute little entertainment things, like funny things, anything like that. Please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys.